Hello developers! Welcome back to another video on IoT Made Easy with Grandeur. Today we are starting a series of tutorials, Grandeur Step by Step. In this series, we will cover all the aspects of IoT development and will go from installation to complete deployment process. Therefore, the first part of this series is centered around hardware. So, in today's video, we are going to learn the ways by which you can install Grandeur in your hardware project. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. Today, we'll learn how to install Grandeur for Arduino-based microcontrollers or boards. But it doesn't mean that Arduino is the only option for using Grandeur. You can also use it for Raspberry Pi or Particle. Depends upon what you are making your project with. Now about the installation for Arduino. So we can do it by two ways, again depending upon what you are using for making your project, like Arduino IDE or Arduino CLI. So first, let's see how to install Grandeur in your Arduino IDE. So this is exactly like how you install other libraries in your Arduino setup. So open your IDE and in the Tools section, go to Manage Libraries. Now type Grandeur here and just click Install and Done. So Grandeur has been installed in your setup. You can confirm it by checking your libraries in your Arduino folder, and for that go to your Documents folder and there go to Arduino, and here it's our Grandeur library. So this was one way of installing Grandeur. Now if you use Arduino CLI and don't use an IDE, so you can install Grandeur easily from there as well. All you have to do is to open your command prompt, and by the command Arduino CLI lib install Grandeur will start installing. So that's all for this video. See you on the other side.